Everybody, welcome to Fish Keeping Jamaica. This is Riley here. I am in a community in the inner city in Jamaica, where I'm actually looking at some gullies and drains where some fish is actually placed into the gully. These fish are mostly mollies and guppies. And one of the reasons why these fish are placed in these gullies and drains is because the problem of mosquito exists. Now these fish actually live in the gully and they breed in the gully. I don't know if you can see those over there. Right there, you have some swimming over there. Right, it looks like some guppies. Right, these fish actually live and breed in the gully. While this is a really good gesture in a means of managing the mosquito breeding within the area, right? To a great extent, mosquitoes still exist, right? So here you have some fish in the gully, right? And the gully smell a little foul, as if you have some you see the fish, right? As if some amount of effluent is in the water, like waste from some manhole or something like that, right? It's not all that sophisticated, but this is one of the measures that the government use so as to manage, right? And here you have the water lilies. The fries for these fish actually lives here on the side of the gully. We have a lot of garbage, right? So the mosquito are supposed to eat the eggs of the mosquito, right, lay eggs, and the fish supposed to actually, all those little twinkles what you see in the water, those are fish, right? Supposed to well, the mosquito lays eggs in the water, and the fish actually eat the egg, thus controlling the population. And this should manage the amount of Aedes aegypti mosquito. Those look like guppies, right? So here they use guppies and mollies in a means of controlling. I'm going to show you some other areas that is used, right? And this is what is done throughout most of Jamaica gullies and drains, right? This is an initiative by the Ministry of Health some 25-30 years ago. All of these are mollies mixed with guppies, and this is one of the reasons why mollies and guppies are regarded as one of the most hardy fish, because they live in stringent condition, and some of them look so beautiful. Some of these fish look so beautiful that if you, they look so beautiful. If you probably put them in a fish tank, they really bring up the aesthetic nature of the fish tank, right? You have some guppies, some fancy tail guppies there, yes, right? And you have some mollies looking really cool. But as I said, you have some effluent smelling scent coming from the water. The water is very dark. I do not know if I will be able to see the fish on the camera when I'm actually editing this, but it is hope that you understand what I'm saying, right? So the mollies and the guppies live in the gully, and they would have their fries, and their fries would live in the hyacinth lily until it's time for them to actually exist like these fish, right? I'm going to another area that probably we can be a little bit more clearer. This is where the gully enter into the Hunts Bay wetland, right? A lot of fish can also be found here. This wetland extends all the way back. Why I'm showing all this? Because the emphasis to show you that some fish, they live right on the mouth of between the sea and the gully, and they are able to adapt to both salt and fresh water. Hopefully I can see some more fish. Here you have them. This is a smaller gully to the one in which I have actually looked at a while ago. These are definitely mollies. Again, you can see some mollies. Again, you can see algae in the water. Right, all these look like mollies. This gully network stretches through the entire community, and this gully network actually feeds into the Hunt Bay wetland. Right, so the fish actually stay here. There's no, like for example, some persons would use like grease so as to get rid of the mosquitoes, but this is the most sensible way. You should actually put these fish in the gully, and the fish will actually consume the eggs of the mosquitoes, thus controlling them. However, mosquitoes have become so sophisticated now, they start to breed on the leaf of plants. Thus, it's now becoming a regular thing for aerial spray of areas such as these. So mosquitoes are controlled with the use of fish, right? Not only for its aesthetical beauty within your fish tank, but they have other use. Right? And this continues, and even if there's sewage in the gully or there's heavy rainfall, even a few days after the heavy rainfall, you still find the fish. I don't know how they survive. They survive underneath the rocks, in containers or whatever, but the gully have actually risen up to the top, right? Up to the top of the gully, right? Water have actually raised to the top of the gully at the bridge, right? And have actually subsided back to the flat about 3 inches to the floor, and I can show you that fish stock still remain here. Thank you for watching Fish Keeping Jamaica. Do have a good day. I hope that this video was informative to you. Bye bye.